These are text to image animation videos created by RunwayML AI tool. So if you want to change your images into video like this one, you will learn in this video. So let's get started. Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your image into video animation using RunwayML AI tool. So if you want to generate an image according to your prompt, according to your thoughts and text, and change the image into video animation, you can use this app. So how you can do this from start? Let's get started. First of all, open CapCut app to generate images, right? So everyone is using CapCut app these days. Now in this app there is option of text to image. So first of all, open the CapCut app and click on text to image. Then from here you can generate images according to your prompt. Like you can see here, I have generated a lot of images. So I will save one of these images. Like I want to save this one on my gallery, so I click on save. If you want to generate image from CapCut app, you just need to describe the image you want to generate, right? So write your prompt here. Like I want to generate image of a student. So I want to generate image of a student reading a book as walking, right? So I write my prompt and click on generate here. So now you can see here we got our 4 images. I will save one of these images. Like I will save this one, right? So click on this image and click on upscale to get this image on better quality, and then save this image in your gallery, right? So I have generated 2 images. Now we will change these images into video animation. For that, open RunwayML app in your mobile. I will place a link of this app in my description so you can install from there. When you will install this app, you will see this interface. Click on this option and click on image to video. Then you need to log in your account here. You can log in your account by using your Google account or your Apple account. So when you will log in your account, you will see this interface. Now click on this create option. First option is image to video, the second option is text to video, and video to video, right? So if you want to change a video into another video, you can simply use the third option. And also there are 2 other options. I want to change my image into video, right? So I will click on image to video option and then click on, then skip it. Now just upload your image from your gallery. So click on this add option, upload from a library, allow the access, and then select your photo. So I will select my photo here, then click on continue. Now wait for a while. Now write your description here. So I have write my description, my text prompt here, like a monk, small kid smiling. Click on done and click on generate forest. Then your output will be automatically saved to your library. So you need to wait here. Now save this video in your gallery. Now in my gallery you can see this video we have created by using RunwayML AI tool. So this is how you can easily change your photo into AI animation video. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.